All right, so here is the word problem. Matthew has 10 cars on the floor. Jack has 5 toy cars on the floor. How many cars are on the floor?
I draw a picture now. I draw a picture now. 13?
13? So if Matthew has 10 cars on the floor and Jack has 5 on the floor, how many toys are on the floor?
10. No.
Right, try using this.
If he has 10,
Sit.
Weeds are in the garden. Is everyone done? Ready? Read it back. Weeds
Is it?
are in the garden. Put your pens down and let's clap it out. Weeds are in the garden. Let's stomp it out. Weeds are in the garden. Let's count it out.
Matthew has 10 cars on the floor. Jack has 5 cars on the floor. How many cars, toy cars, are on the floor? So you have two. If you have 2 people and they both have toy cars on the floor, what would you do?
write the number? Oh no.
You have this right. You have 10. And if somebody else has toy cars, what would you do if you want to know how many you have all together?
I have purple too.
This is a big word. Together. This is the word together. We work in our garden. A garden. The AR
15?
How'd you figure that out?
together is a big word on almost every.
I counted.
Counted what?
So I did this.
So you used your hands?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. We can erase?
Yeah.
Why do you like the cookies and the cake? All right, here's your next one. Bobby Joe has 3 more apps on her iPad than Randall. Randall, or he, has 6 apps. How many apps does Bobby Joe have?
Why did you say can't even hear because all these people are talking? What did you say?
Bobby Joe has, look right here. Bobby Joe has 3 more apps on her iPad than Randall. He has 6 apps. How many apps does Bobby Joe have on her iPad?
Oh. What? I'm going to use these, really?
How about it? Yep.
This is my plan for the next Wednesday, or the next Wednesday when I'm gonna be out for the morning.
Oh, okay.
I made you a copy in this other copy.
Okay.
9. 9.
How'd you do that?
Counted these.
Okay. Awesome.
Ow.
Okay, now this one's really tricky. Okay, this one's really tricky. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, this one's really, really tricky. Some dogs were in my yard. 7 of those dogs went inside. Now there are 3 dogs in my yard. How many were in my yard to start?
7. Wait, 3 dogs in there.
All right, now I'm gonna put those up because you guys aren't supposed to do this until you were done with your writing.
10.
How'd you get 10?
Go sit down.
Counted these.
Oh, make me smile. Make my heart smile.
Tell me. What stacks do you have?
10 stacks.
Okay, but what does this stack represent?
6. No, 7.
7.
Plus 3 equals 10.
That was awesome. Kiss your brain.
Basically,
You did
yeah.
all. You're pretty smart. Awesome job. Thank you, sir.